course, we have the world's largest mega mixed grill in front of us. They get 1 hour to do it. We have Max, Kyle, Stefan and Josh here. If they complete it, they do win £250. So we've got a massive cake. We have salad, chips, onion rings, sausages, gammon, steak, ribs, burger, yeah, mushrooms, pineapple, everything that you'd find on a mega mixed grill.
And more.
And more.
And more.
So yeah, 60 minutes, £250. Good luck. 3, 2, 1, off you go.
Good.
Guys, we are so sorry that the live is a bit later today. We did have a lot of food set up.
Yeah, welcome back or welcome to my channel. You see, today we start the video in a completely different way. This Mega Mix Grill Challenge is the first on this level and brings around 15 kilos on the table. A regular Mixed Grill Challenge have around 3.4 kilos and here we added ribs and a cake. I was very happy to have these strong eaters by my side. As you can see, I eat my steak with a fork and knife again. Yeah, the most people don't understand, but the background is simple. Whether it's fat or anything else, I can cut everything into small pieces and swallow it. Basically, much more pleasant for me. Well, of course, I knew that I was the weakest here in the group, so there was only one way for me to support the guys in the best possible way, and that means full concentration on my part and just try to get around 4 kilos down.
Please,
Yeah, I will go for salad.
Social dads.
20 minutes into the challenge and Max and Kyle's advice to me to switch to salad was of course right, but on the other hand the rest of the meat gets even colder and therefore more difficult to get down in the end. And yeah, my goal was proteins first and then switch to the other things. But yeah, so fingers crossed that this doesn't have any major consequences.
Good idea.
Yep, that's me.
If you need this one. Beatrice, I see you.
Well, from the minute 40 onwards, I unfortunately had my first bigger problems, so now it was even more important to do my part of this challenge. And the moment when the cake worries you more than the chips in front of you, then you know that something is not going according to plan.
Guys, you have 10 minutes left on the clock. 10 minutes left on the clock.
Should we try and complicate that?
I just had word.
Fine. Yeah, it's great.
Gary said that you can have 5 minutes extra time for the cake.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
5 minutes extra time from the boss. 5 minutes extra time.
What can I say? All in all, I was disappointed with myself that I couldn't help the guys more in the end. Even though I was still able to help Josh with the chips in the end, it wasn't enough from me overall. I felt especially sorry for Max, as I've never seen him like this before, but probably he was not at 100% with his code. So ends a slightly different video. Thank you for tuning in. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. As usual, in the end you see another little preview of the upcoming challenge. Next week, the fish and chip challenge from the Kettleman's Steakhouse. So yeah, in this sense, I'm out. Take care. Bye bye.
Three, 2, 1, and that's it. 1 minute, 1 hour, 5 minutes, done.
We're going to do a run at 4